someone likes to make fun of my intros, but then when it comes time to do an intro, she also doesn't want an intro. So I guess with that being said, there's a lot of tools on the counter. There's not a lot of tools in those cubbies. The drawers still have stuff in them, but I'm not really going to worry about that. And I've got 8 feet of drawers to sand out, and then we can start staining. But in the meantime, someone is going to start staining, so we're just going to time lapse it and hopefully get the drawers and all the tool cubbies stained so that we kind of match this side, and then I can get into the floor. So let's get it going. Woo-wee! Man, does that look good. So we got everything up here stained. Got these organizers and stuff stained. And then got the top done up until here because I still have a little bit of remodeling to do before I want to commit to this front. So, but man, that is starting to look like something, that's for sure. Can't wait to get the gray floor in here too. I think it's really going to pop. So still have a ton of light on the bench, plenty bright enough, and I'm going to put a couple coats of poly on it just to kind of protect it and hopefully not wear through the stain right away. So that is staining the tool trailer 101. Oh man, that is a lot of staining that's been done the last 2 days, but it is all almost done except for that little bit behind me, which shouldn't take too long. So I'm going to call that a win. The color scheme is coming together, I think, really, really nice. I can't wait to get the floor in. We'll make sure we time lapse that when the time comes, and I think that's really going to tie this whole trailer up. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little time lapse and the help from Mrs. Bearded Builder, and we'll see you guys in the next video.